Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today we are looking at two Carrier Infinity furnaces in an attic that we just installed. So as always, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos about Carrier systems. I'm going to go through these systems, show you kind of what we did in the attic up here, and then I'm going to do some other videos outside as well to show you what we did out there for the condensers. So let's get right into these systems. We are looking at two 100,000 BTU furnaces. These are Carrier variable speed, and the model number on these is the 58CU0A100C2120. They are both horizontal in the attic. One is for the upstairs and one is for the downstairs. They come on 6-inch furnace stands to get them off the ground. We have a 4-inch flue vent right there and a 4-inch flue vent right there. They use a 1/2-inch gas line coming in with the gas flex going into the furnace. We use an electrical plug to plug it in. And then obviously on both sides of these furnaces, we have what's called a plenum coil. So this is the plenum coil for this system. And then on that system, we have a plenum coil down there, and that's where the supply ducts come off. On the back side of this, you have the return ducts coming into the system. And on this system over here, here's the return plenum, and then a return duct coming into that. The ADP plenum coils are coils designed for houses like this with a truss system. You can see how tight it is up here, so we had to use a ADP plenum coil, and that is where the coil is actually inside this box and the ducts come off the sides and the front of the unit. And they have a drain pan built in. We have the primary drain right here, the secondary drain right here with a shut-off switch on it. For any overflow, it would kill the system, so nothing would get into the attic. The other things about this system is that it is matched outside with the Carrier Infinity condensers, and they are 5-ton. They are 24 VNA 9660A003s. It is also matched with the Carrier Infinity control thermostat, making this a full Carrier variable speed system. So this has several speeds for cooling, keeping the house very even temperatured throughout the day. And also you have a lot of control over humidity, airflow, settings in terms of temperature, stuff like that, and all can be controlled through your phone via Wi-Fi if you would like. So let me know what you think of this system, if this is something that you might be interested in, or if you have any questions about it, leave a comment in the section below. I'd be happy to help you with that. If you're located in the Orange County, California area and you'd like an estimate on a system like this, I'd be happy to give that to you. You can call me at 714-526-6368. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.